This is the Roadster. Well, like any Roadster, this is a fun car to drive. The idea was to inspire myself in those models from the 60s, built particularly in England and Japan. I'm talking about models such as the Austin Bug-Eye, the Spitfire, the Mazda Miata, Jaguars of course, the XK series. So basically a Roadster is a sports drive with a tiny engine, generally, and very lightweight. Caiu quadro. Não, tudo bem. Vamos lá. So a Roadster is basically a sports car with a tiny engine, very lightweight, a Spartan interior, so comfort is not its key. Not lots of room for people, but it's fun to drive. That's the whole point of it, and that's also what I had when I started building it. If you know Lego, you see many of these panels come from that big green tow truck. And I bought that model and I really liked it because I've never had so many green pieces my whole life. And I was wondering what to do with all those pieces. And of course, the truck also comes with a bunch of wheels and tires. So building a car seemed natural to me. And that's what I came up with. A sports car that is really cute and fun to drive. It's got many features that you enjoy seeing, and it's also fully RC driven. So let's start by the functions, okay? Well, as you see, the hood opens, and what you're seeing here isn't much other than the servo engine to steer the car. As I said, this is a very compact model. It's only 29 centimeters long and 12 centimeters wide. The doors open, and then here you see the interior, which is really Spartan. Oh, the trunk. There's actually some room in the trunk. I wanted to assemble the engine in the back, but it winded up being in the middle here, right on the middle of the car, which is also nice for weight distribution purposes. This model comes with a differential and 2 clutch gears to avoid impacting the gear teeth and damaging any piece. It has unfortunately no suspension. I mean, that's almost a crime to me, but yeah, it's the best I could do with the room available and with the pieces I had available. One other key aspect to this model, which makes it really special, is the headlights. It's got these, how do you name it? I forgot how you name these headlights in English. What? Well, I'll write it down on the video later, and you can have a totally different look to the car with the headlights on and off. As you see, it gets more sportive without the headlights. Oh, another key aspect I almost forgot, and this is really important. It's a convertible. Yeah, it's very simple. The mechanism to the rooftop. So you can have actually a bunch of different looks, because you can have the with or without headlights and with or without the rooftop. It's a pretty versatile car. As you see, the interior is very Spartan, very basic. Underneath the car, you see the structure. Oh, that's nice. The structure also uses the panels from the tow truck, whose number I don't remember.
It's 42008, genius.
So it's very stiff because it uses these panels, and it's light. Have I mentioned it's only 500 grams of weight, half a kilo. So in spite of having just an M motor, it goes pretty fast. So I hope you enjoyed learning a bit about this car, this beautiful piece of sports design. And if you want to see how it drives, then remember to subscribe the channel, click the notification icon, because in the upcoming weeks there will be an exclusive video of driving the Roadster. Share with your friends and family. You know, if you have that friend who loves cars, who loves classic cars such as Roadsters, I'm sure he or she will love seeing this model. See you next time. Bye!